welcome back to my channel. So if you're on this channel for the first time, thank you. So as you can see, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Could you please subscribe and like my videos? Thank you. Okay, so today guys, I'm making this video specifically for you if you are trying to buy a new mixer. Yeah, buy a mixer, whether it's a stand mixer or a hand mixer. I'm making this video specifically for you because I have experience in mixers. Okay, so in my day or in my days, whatever, I've used quite a lot of mixers. I think I bought about 7-8 mixers, and like I've not had good experiences with a lot of them. So today I'm going to be telling you the kind of mixer you can buy in case you don't know what to buy. You don't know how many watts you want it to be. You don't know how big you want the watts the bowl to be. You don't know what kind of brand you want to buy. So today I'm going to be giving you advice on what kind of mixer you should buy, and then I'm going to be telling you about the mixer I bought about 2 months ago that stopped working. Yes. So if you want to see how that goes, just stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, this was me when I went to pick up the mixer. I was supposed to buy this Kenwood Prospero, like the last one I bought, but then I saw this one. It was 1,000 grivens cheaper. Yes, 1,000 grivens around maybe $40. Plus it had a higher watts. This one was around maybe 1,200 watts, and the Kenwood is about 900 watts, and it has a bigger bowl. It has a 6 liters bowl. And I told myself, before now I had like really bad experiences with mixers. I've tried more than 7 brands, but then I was like, okay, let me try this one. So I ended up now buying the Kenwood mixer that I went there for. Originally ended up buying the Qilive mixer. And so guys, if you want me to do like an unboxing video for you on the stuff in the box, I'd like to do that for you. Just leave me a comment in the comment section below. Okay. If you're looking to shop for a stand mixer, maybe for your kitchen, or you're starting a business, or you're just trying to try a new brand of mixers, this video is for you. So I've been in this business for about 7 years, and for about 5 years I had a Kenwood mixer, and for 5 straight years it didn't have any fault. Like legit, I'm telling you guys, like it didn't stop working, and I was baking every day. On the average, like I baked about 2-3 cakes per day, and I mix the cakes, I make buttercream, I make all sorts of things, and it didn't stop working. So about 3 months ago, it started giving me problems, and I fixed it 2-3 times, and it just was messing up my like stuff. So I decided to buy a new one. So when I got to where I was going to buy a new one, I saw a different brand that was slightly cheaper. The one I wanted to buy was Kenwood. I don't know if you know this Kenwood Prospero. Yes, I saw it for about 5,000 grivens. Yes, and then I saw this one that had like a bigger bowl and stuff, and it was 4,000. I was like, okay, why not try it? So I decided to try it, and so today I'm doing like a 3 months review for you guys of this Qilive mixer. It is very big and it is amazing. So guys, this was me when I got home trying to unbox the mixer and shit. So it has other stuff in it. It has a meat grinder, it has the blender, and like what else, it has some other stuff. So I think I'll do like an unboxing video for you guys. Anyways, so if you're starting a business, yeah, if you don't bake every day like me, this mixer might work for you. Like it might work for you for a very long time. Maybe it just didn't work for me because I bake every day. I literally like mix like 2-3 times a day, and I mix different things. I make meringue for buttercream, I mix the cakes and stuff. So at least 2-3 times a day, that's how I use it. Maybe that's why. So if you're not doing some heavy duty mixing or heavy duty baking, you can buy this mixer, and I think it will work for you, because I think I used this for, it works pretty well. I made a video of how like it was making a meringue for me, and it was pretty cool. And the amazing thing is the bowl is big, so it works really well. And like it doesn't take that much electricity. I'm not explaining, like my bills were not much for that month. So if you don't do heavy duty baking or anything, you can buy this mixer. It's a Qilive 25100 whatever. I'm going to put the link in the description box for you. And it is pretty amazing actually. I like the bowl. The shape of the bowl makes it easy for you to mix. But if you're someone who bakes every day, or like you want to buy a mixer that will last you forever, guys, I swear to God, nobody paid me for this, yeah? Buy a Kenwood mixer. It works like, I don't know, like it is ridiculous. I had a Kenwood mixer for 5 years and it worked like magic. Okay, this was the mixer when I brought it home, and I was trying to make some buttercream with it, and it works perfectly. Like the thing is, like it has a higher speed than Kenwood, Like it gets to 10. I think it gets to about 10, and it has a paddle attachment, the mixing attachment, and the whisk that works really well. And it is dope. Like, it is dope and it is fast. Okay, so it's a really good machine, but like after about 2 months and about 4 days, it stopped working. Like, I just turned it on that morning and it worked and stopped, and like when I turned it on again, it stopped working. Like, the machine was running, like the whatever was making sounds, but the whisk attachment wasn't moving like it is in this video. The machine was working, but whatever it was that happened to it, the whisk wasn't moving. And I wanted to make buttercream because I had about 3 cakes to do that day, and it just messed up my whole day. And you know how when you've planned something and how like people are waiting for their cakes and stuff, and then all of a sudden your mixer stops working, you're in trouble. Okay, so I was so mad. And yes, it has a warranty, but the point is the fact that it worked for just 2 days and 3 months, for just 2 months and a few days, and stopped. That is not what you want, because you're paying premium dollars for these things, and like you're paying so much money. That's not what you want. You want to buy a mixer that is reliable. So I've used about 7 mixers in my time, and I can tell you categorically guys, that if you want to buy a mixer that will last, like, I don't know, that will last as long as, I don't know, forever, you should buy a Kenwood mixer. I don't know. This mixer was really great and stuff. I took it back to fix because I couldn't take it to the store because it has warranty, fine, but they would waste your time and it would take months or weeks for them to give you back after fixing it and stuff. So I just gave it to my guy that fixes mixers for me. So that is my take. Listen to it. Like, I turned it on. Right now I'm turning it on. It's running, but the whisk is not working. Do you get? The engine is working, but the whatever is not moving. So guys, if you want me to do a video on the mixers you should not buy, like the mixers you should not touch with a 10-foot pole, please send me a message, a comment in the comment section, and I'll be glad to do that for you. Of course, a honest review on the mixers I've used and that you should not buy, like the ones you should not even think about buying. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.